Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, we're going to talk about Microfiber Madness. So they're a premium microfiber company straight from Germany. They're makers of some amazing car detailing products, such as the Incredi mitt. Now this is a wash mitt that you've probably seen in many videos. And also of the Incredi brush. Now this is an awesome wheel brush, but they also make tons of high quality microfiber products. So we're gonna present the entire lineup. You're gonna see them in action. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome back to all my regular viewers. And for all of you for whom it's the first time that you're on my channel, well, if you want to learn some tips and tricks about car detailing, well, you found the right channel. So make sure you smash that subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So today I'll be presenting the full range of products from a company called Microfiber Madness. Now again, they're from Germany and they make some premium microfiber products. So they have some wash mitts, they have some wheel brushes, they have a bunch of microfiber towels. So we're going to talk about those, present each and every one of them, show you how to use them. You're going to see them in action, obviously. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so Microfiber Madness did not pay me to talk about their products. It's actually me who approached them, so I can make you guys discover their entire range of products, because I truly believe they're very passionate about what they do. They're made in Germany, so they do pretty much everything in-house, including creating their own microfiber towels. They take a lot of pride in them. A lot of companies have tried to copy what they do. You're going to see a lot of knockoffs out there, but you're going to notice that these guys are the original makers of something like their super popular Incredi mitt. Now, the Incredi fabric, as they call it, is a patented 92% polyester and 8% viscose, and this is super plush. So they make this in a form of a pad, or, which I prefer like this is a wash mitt with a super nice cuff. It comes in this blue and white, or also in gray and white color. Now this is fantastic. So microfiber, again, super soft, super plush to wash your vehicle. They have another mitt called the Incredi Flare. Now this one is even thinner, so you can clean your wheels with this mitt. And the cool thing about it is that it has a thumb, so you can go behind the spokes and clean those as well. So this is a smaller, specific to the wheels wash mitt. Again, super high quality, super plush, 92% polyester and 8% viscose. So the Incredi mitt is 10 by 8 inches, so it's the perfect size. It has a nice cuff with the Microfiber Madness logo, so very nice high quality finish. The Incredi Flare, this one is 10 by 6 inches, so it's even smaller and thinner than the Incredi mitt if we see them side by side. So you can get behind the spokes, clean the faces of your wheels. So these are two great wash mitts. And there's the amazing Incredi brush. Now this is a wheel cleaning brush. This is the flat profile version. So as you can tell, it has a flatter profile on one side. So it's made to go inside the spokes for those harder to reach areas. Like myself, my BMW 435i Grand Coupe. This is an M Sport version with the M Performance brakes. So the brake calipers and the brake discs are oversized. So this is perfect to fit in back of them. There's a bunch of cool stuff. So the stem is made out of stainless steel, so it won't rust. And it's also flexible, as you can tell, and it springs back into action. So this comes back straight. It comes with a knuckle guard. You get this super comfortable handle to hold on to. It's just the perfect size. And again, it's made with the Incredi material. So 92% polyester and 8% viscose. So super, super safe for all your wheel finishes. And this is probably the best wheel cleaning brush that I've ever used. So if back in the day when I made my video about the best wheel brushes, well, I hadn't discovered Microfiber Madness, because if I had, well, obviously this one is now my #1 wheel cleaning brush. And by the way, guys, don't worry, because I'll drop the links to all the products that we're going to talk about in the video. I'll leave them in the description down below for you guys to check them out. All right, so Microfiber Madness, well, the name says it, they make microfiber products. So we're going to go through their full range of towels. They always come in a beautiful packaging. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Slogger. Now, as it says on here, this is a 16 by 16 inch towel. This is 230 grams per square meter, so 230 GSM. Perfect size. I love this towel to remove the ceramic coatings when it's ready to buff off. But honestly, this is a multi-purpose towel. It's just the right thickness. It's laser cut at the end. It's a 75-25 blend, which means 75% polyester, 25% polyamide. So it's super plush. It's actually quite thin. So this is an all-purpose towel. It's kind of a workhorse towel. So you guys can find all sorts of uses for it. The next microfiber we're going to present is the Yellowfellow 2.0. So again, this is 16 by 16 inches in size. This is a 360 GSM towel, so a bit thicker than the Slogger. Again, ultrasonic cut, so no edges to this towel. It has short and dense fibers with a perfect ratio of aggressiveness and softness. You can use this to wipe off polishes, paint cleaners, sticky waxes, or sealants. And again, it's a 75-25 blend. Next, we move on to the Cloudbuster. This is a waffle weave glass towel. So it's 16 by 16, 360 GSM. So it's a 75-25 blend. And again, this is a super thin waffle weave towel, perfect for cleaning glass. As you guys know, I love waffle weave towels for cleaning glass and other waffle weaves for drying the paint. And talking about drying the paint with a waffle weave towel, of course, they thought of this and they have their Wave Rider Junior towel. Now, this is a waffle weave drying towel. It's 24 inches by 16 inches, 530 GSM. So here's the towel. It has microfiber edges, so you won't damage the paint. This is perfect for the smaller drying activities. So anything that you need to dry, whether it's your wheels or your paint. So again, I love waffle weave drying towels. Now, if you need something even more absorbent and bigger, they have the Dry Me Crazy drying towel. So this one here is 25 by 17. This is 1,200 GSM, meaning that it's super plush and super thick. So if we have a close-up of this towel, again, 1,200 GSM. So this is going to be super absorbing. It has a microfiber edge, so it won't scratch the paint. And I don't know if you can tell, but look how thick this is. So this is perfect for soaking up all that water. You can fold it up. It'll be super plush. It's obviously super thick, so it'll dry your car in no time. Next up, we have their Crazy Pile. This is an ultra soft detailing towel, so one of their plushes that they make. So again, this is a 16 by 16. This is 500 GSM ultrasonic cut, so no edge, super plush. It's a single layer microfiber towel. It has a 75-25 blend. So this is as plush as it gets. So for any super delicate job that you guys need to do, like remove any waxes or sealants, or for a final buff, or even to apply something like a silica spray sealant on your car, or any detailing spray, this is perfect for that kind of job. All right, so next we have a couple of innovations from Microfiber Madness. Now this is the Drying Diamond. So this is an ultra soft drying mitt. Yes, this is a mitt. So this is what it looks like. So it's dual-sided. You slip your hand in it. There are also 2 loops inside the mitt so it doesn't slide off your hand, and you can go ahead and dry your car. So essentially this has the same plush material as their thicker drying towel. So it's made for the harder to reach areas, or areas like the lower rocker panels if you want to dry them, or any other tighter space. Perfect for that. Then we have an ultra soft detail mitt called the Dusting Diamond. So this is an interior mitt. Again, this is dual-sided. So in the front, you get their super plush Crazy Pile ultra soft detailing towel, but in the form of a mitt. And in the back, you get another shorter pile. So this is perfect for the delicate areas and for removing dust in the interior. The slogger side here in the back is made for tougher jobs like removing dirt from plastic door panels or applying leather cleaners. Again, this is a 75-25 blend. Next up, we have their crazy bag. So this is another mitt that's made from their super plush material. This is perfect for dusting or applying an interior dressing. Again, it's their classic 75-25 blend. So you slip it on your hand and that's it. You can go ahead and do whatever job you think you might need something like this super plush mitt. So another great innovation. So next up, we have the Waxing Moon Deluxe. Now this is a super soft applicator pad. So if we have a closer look, so you have this pocket in the back, you can slide your fingers in it. So you get a super plush, super soft microfiber applicator pad. This is perfect for applying waxes, glazes, sealants, or trim dressings. This is 5 inches in diameter, and again, it has that 75-25 blend. So it's rugged, it's honestly, it's super plush, and you can find many uses for this, I'm sure of that. All right, another cool innovation. If you have an SUV, you have an RV or a boat or a taller vehicle like a truck, well, they have their Incredi pole. So we all know that a brush on paint is a big no-no in the detailing world. However, this brush has a pad that's made out of their microfiber Incredi material. So 92% polyester, 8% viscose. This is super soft. And yes, this will not scratch your finish. So what a cool innovation. So it's for those harder to reach areas. If you want to go up top, it comes with an aluminum pole, so a sturdy handle. And the cool thing about this pole is that it's adjustable. So you can retract the whole system up to you want. You can lock it into place and you can extend it even further. So, I mean, this goes on forever. Look at this. So it's super long. I think it might be as tall as me, and I'm 6'3" tall. So it's 23.6 inches all the way up to 54 inches if you want to extend it all the way. And again, you just slide it back in. The clips operate super easily. Boom, that's it, you clip it back. So this super amazing, and you can have this head that tilts, obviously. So it will help to conform to any contours that you have on your vehicle, and it will not scratch the finish. So this is awesome that a company like Microfiber Madness thought of coming up with a product like this. So people who have RVs, boats, trucks, or SUVs can go ahead and wash and clean their vehicles in an easy and safe way without breaking their backs and reaching areas that are normally super hard to reach. So again, the Incredi pole, great innovation. All right, so again, another super cool innovation by this company. So Microfiber Madness, the company that always gives back. This is called their Dropnetic. Essentially, they're magnetic strips that stop water runnings appearing after a car wash. So you know all those drippings that come off your mirrors, door handles, trunk deck, turn signals, and so on and so forth. Well, essentially when you open it, you get strips like this. They come in different lengths and sizes. These are the minis. So they're a drawing microfiber that's wrapped around some rust-proof magnets. So yes, this will stick to the paint. It won't scratch your paint, obviously, because this is made out of a super plush microfiber material, and it will help absorb any leaking water. So you'd put this, for example, under your mirror and see the water drip onto it and be absorbed by this material. So no more streaks on your car. So once you're done washing and drying, you can place these strips in strategic points on your car. So after an hour or two, when the water keeps on dripping from those inconspicuous spaces, well, they'll at least be absorbed by this and won't ruin the finish of your vehicle that you worked so hard to achieve. So guys, as you saw, Microfiber Madness are the real deal. Of course, like any German company, they make amazing products. Of course, I'm a bit biased because my own car is a BMW, but try them for yourselves and you'll see how amazing they are. They're truly passionate about their products, and that's one thing that's obvious when you watch also their videos on YouTube. By the way, a big shout out to Thomas Hackner, the CEO of Microfiber Madness. A big shout out from Pan, the organizer, and also to Corey from Sky's the Limit Car Detailing Products in USA. So thanks to you guys for making this video possible. Again, all the links to the products presented in this video, I'll drop them in the description down below for you guys to check them out. If you want to continue learning more tips and tricks and incredible stuff about car detailing, don't forget to take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. If you like this video, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. And as usual, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.